Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to install Woodman Robo X DSP Android stereo system in my Brezza and the reverse cam also. Please watch till the end because I am going to cover every single thing in detail. If you haven't watched my unboxing video of the same, please find the description, and before going to the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. To remove the existing 2D stereo, we need some tools. The black one is the tool which I got from the dashcam installation kit, and the other one is a toothbrush with head removed, and I have filed in the front to match our purpose. Gently insert tool in the gap between the system and the beading and try to pull it up. Take the help of the tool if you feel tough while taking off the beading. You will hear the click sounds when it comes out. Don't misplace the orange clips that are installed onto the beading. After that, try to pull the AC vents with the tool's help. Once after removing the AC vents, gently we have to remove the hazard switch, and we can do that easily by pushing the locks at the top and bottom. Once the switch is out, remove the wiring socket by pressing onto the locking pin. Once that is done, keep the AC vents aside and don't try to misplace the orange pins here as well. Now we have to remove the two screws with the help of star drive which are holding the 2DIN system. Once that is done, gently pull the 2DIN system and also remove the wiring clips from the default sockets by pressing onto the locking pins. Once that is done, remove the glove box. After that, gently pull the door rubber at the left side A pillar and also pull out the pillar fiber bracket. After that, repeat the same on right side A pillar. After that, let's start attaching the cables. We will start with the blue color cable which is provided by Woodman and will attach it to the default cable provided by Maruti, and make sure that the sockets fit firmly and to the slots provided. Once after that is done, we will install the radio antenna socket which is in grey color. After that, we will take the default USB cable connector and will connect it to the cable given by the woodman. Please remember that every socket has its unique shape and slots. Always make sure that the joints are firm and are intact. Now we will install the GPS module. We will pass the wire through the left side A pillar gap and will try to pick it up all the way through the glove box hole till to the system installation location. Now we will install the additional mic provided by the woodman. I analyzed below the sun visor is the best location to install the mic. I made sufficient hole onto the fiber roof such that I can pull the cable. Now let's put the connector end through the hole and we'll try to pull it all the way through the A pillar. Here I am taking the help of a binding wire to pull the mic cable from right A pillar to the system installation location. Now, as all cables are in place, let's start connecting to the main woodman system. As every connector has its own unique shape, it will be easy for us to identify the connecting point. If you haven't subscribed or liked my channel yet, please do that. It will boost me to create more such videos. Now I am connecting the GPS module. I am using a nose plier to tighten the nut so that it won't get loose while driving. Now this cable helps in connecting the default USB provided by Maruti to the woodman system. This is the radio antenna connection. This is the main socket. The cable which I am holding has no special purpose when you are installing the woodman system. It is used to support Bluetooth in the default system provided by Maruti, but as woodman has its own Bluetooth chip, we don't need this cable. You can leave it as it is. I got this info from the woodman support. This is the mic input. I am taping it firmly once after connecting to just make sure that the connection will stay strong even when I am driving. Now take off the orange clips provided by Maruti to the default system and gently attach the same to the woodman system. Once after doing that, you can just push it into the slots provided. You can hear the clicking sounds. Now almost everything is done. You can start reattaching the parts starting from left side A pillar. While installing the AC vents, make sure that the hazard lamp switch is in place and socket is connected. That's pretty much everything. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and share it, because making videos like this takes lots of time and effort and also support from you all. I will make a video explaining the working details of the Woodman system soon. Until then, stay connected and thanks for watching.